Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Talk Emma Daily, the best place to practice your English conversation skills every single day. I'm your host, Emma.
And hello, everyone. It is so good to be back here with you, Emma. I'm Jack. How are you doing today?
I'm doing fantastic, Jack. Thank you for asking. You seem very energetic today. How are you?
I'm great, Emma. But to be honest, I am actually a little bit hungry right now.
Hungry already? We just started recording.
I know, but I can't stop thinking about food. Delicious food. I am imagining a giant hamburger with cheese, crispy French fries, and maybe a big cold soda. Yum.
Wow, Jack, you are making me hungry now, too. That sounds absolutely delicious.
Sorry about that, but actually, my hunger is a good thing because it gives me a great idea for our podcast topic today.
You are absolutely right. That is a perfect idea. Let's talk about food. Specifically, let's talk about going to a restaurant.
Yes, going to a restaurant and ordering food in English. It can be easy, fun, and very tasty.
Exactly. It is one of the most useful things to learn. So today on Talk Emma Daily, we will master English conversation at a restaurant.
That's a great topic. But before we start, everyone please remember to subscribe to our channel, Talk Emma Daily.
Yes, and please give this video a big like if you love food as much as Jack does. Also, share it with your friends and family so we can learn together. It helps us a lot.
Yes, it really does. Thank you, guys. Okay, Emma, let's imagine. I am standing at the door of a nice restaurant. What do I do? What is the first thing I say?
Great question. You open the door, walk in confidently, and you will see a staff member. This person is usually the host or the waiter. You simply smile and say hello or hi.
Hello. That is simple enough. I can definitely do that.
Yes, you can. After saying hello, you need to tell them how many people are with you. You need a table. So you can say, a table for two, please.
Ah, a table for two, please. That is if I'm going with you, right?
Exactly. Or if you have another friend with you, you would say, a table for three, please.
I see the pattern. So I say a table for, and then I add the number of people.
That's right. It's very simple logic. And if you are eating alone, you just say, a table for one, please.
Okay, got it. Hello, a table for two, please. And then what does the waiter say to me?
The waiter will usually smile back and say something like, this way, please, or follow me, please.
And then I follow the waiter to my table.
Correct. You sit down comfortably at your table. Now, Jack, what is the very first thing you want when you sit down?
The hamburger. Bring me the food.
Not so fast, Jack. Before the food, you need to know what to order. You need the menu.
Ah, right, the menu. The book with all the pictures and names of the food.
Exactly. Usually, the waiter gives you the menu immediately, but if they are busy and forget, you can ask for it.
How do I ask for the menu politely in English?
You can say, can I have the menu, please?
Can I have the menu, please? That sounds very polite.
It is. Remember, please is a magic word in English, especially in a restaurant. It makes you sound friendly and respectful.
Okay, can I have the menu, please? So I have the menu now. I open it up. I see a lot of words. Starters, main courses, desserts, drinks.
You know a lot of restaurant vocabulary already, Jack. Let's break it down. Starters, sometimes called appetizers, are the small plates you eat first, like a hot soup or a fresh salad.
Soup. I really like soup. A creamy tomato soup is the best.
Me too. So first, you look at the starters, then you move to the big section, the main courses.
The main course is the big meal, right? The most important part.
Yes, exactly. This is where you find the chicken, steak, fish, pasta, or your favorite, the hamburger.
My hamburger. I can't wait. And what about dessert?
Dessert is the sweet treat you eat at the very end of the meal, like chocolate cake, ice cream, or apple pie.
Oh, I love dessert. Chocolate cake is definitely my favorite.
Chocolate cake is a classic choice. And finally, we have drinks or beverages.
Drinks are simple. Water, orange juice, soda, or maybe tea.
Perfect. You understand the menu structure completely.
I am learning fast because I am hungry. So the waiter comes back to my table. He is holding a small notebook and pen. What does he ask me?
He will probably look at you and ask, "Are you ready to order?"
Are you ready to order? And if I know what I want, I say, yes, I am.
Yes, or simply, "Yes, please." However, if you are still deciding, you can say, "Just a minute, please."
That is a very useful phrase. Just a minute, please. But today I am very ready, so I say, yes, I am.
Great. Now comes the fun part, ordering.
How do I say it naturally? Do I just say, I want a hamburger?
You can say that, but it sounds a little bit like a child. A more polite and natural way is to say, "I would like," or "I'll have."
I would like. That sounds much smoother. So I say, I would like the hamburger, please.
That is perfect, Jack. The waiter will love that polite attitude. And the other option, you said, "I'll have"?
Yes, I'll have. It is the short form of I will have. For example, I'll have the hamburger, please. I'll have the hamburger. It sounds very confident and natural. I like it.
Okay, let's do a mini practice right now. I will be the waiter. Doizom. Hello, sir. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I would like the tomato soup to start, please.
Okay, 1 tomato soup. And for your main course, sir?
I'll have the hamburger, please.
Excellent choice. And would you like anything to drink with that?
Oh, the drink. I almost forgot. I would like a big soda, please.
Perfect. So that's tomato soup, a hamburger, and a soda. The waiter might repeat the order back to you just to be sure.
To check that they didn't make a mistake.
Exactly. And you simply confirm by saying, "Yes, that's right. Thank you."
Thank you. Always saying thank you.
Always. So you order, you wait, you chat with your friends, and then the best moment arrives.
The food comes. The waiter brings the hot food to the table and says, enjoy your meal.
Enjoy your meal. And you reply with,
I say, thank you.
"Perfect. Now the food is on the table. Your hamburger looks amazing."
And your salad looks very fresh and green.
While we're eating, sometimes the waiter comes back to the table to check on us.
Yes, they usually ask, is everything okay? Or how is the food?
And if the food is good, what do you say?
I say, yes, it's delicious, or everything is great, thank you.
Delicious is a fantastic word. It means very, very tasty.
My hamburger is definitely delicious.
But Jack, what if you need something else? For example, you finished your water.
Good point. I need to get the waiter's attention. I try to make eye contact and say, excuse me.
Right. "Excuse me" is the polite way to call them. Then you ask, "Can I have some more water, please?"
Can I have some more water, please? Or maybe, can I have some more napkins if I'm a messy eater?
Yes. Or, "Can I have another soda, please?"
It's actually very simple grammar. Can I have plus the thing I want plus please?
Exactly. The structure is always the same.
Okay, I have eaten my delicious hamburger. I'm full, I'm happy.
Me too. But wait, did we forget something?
Dessert! There is always room for dessert. The chocolate cake.
Of course. The waiter will clear the empty plates and might ask, "Would you like to see the dessert menu?"
And I say, yes, please, very quickly.
You check the menu, you see that beautiful chocolate cake. When the waiter returns, you use the same phrase.
I would like the chocolate cake, please.
You're a pro now, Jack.
It feels easy when we practice like this, Emma. So I eat the cake. It's wonderful. Now I am truly finished.
The meal is over. It was lovely. Now, unfortunately, we have to pay.
The bill, the money part.
Yes. So, once again, say, "Excuse me" to the waiter.
Excuse me, and then what?
"Can I have the bill, please?" Or in America, they often say, "Can I have the check, please?"
Bill or check. Both are okay?
Yes, bill is more common in the UK and check is more common in the US, but every waiter understands both words.
Okay, can I have the bill, please? Simple.
The waiter brings a small folder or piece of paper with the total price.
And I can pay with cash money or with a credit card.
Correct. If you are not sure, you can ask, "Do you take credit cards?"
Good tip. Then I put my card down and say, here you are.
Here you are. Very natural. They process the payment and bring back your receipt.
And that's it? We can leave?
Yes, you stand up and as you walk out, give the staff a warm smile and say, "Thank you. Goodbye."
Thank you. Goodbye. It leaves a good impression.
It really does. It shows you appreciated the food and the service.
All right, Emma, I feel ready. Let's do a full role play. This time we do the whole conversation, fast and smooth. You are the waiter, I am the hungry customer.
I love role plays. Let's do it. Action. Good evening, sir. Welcome to Emma's restaurant.
Hello, a table for one, please.
Certainly. Please follow me. Here is your table.
Thank you. Can I have the menu, please?
Of course. Here you are. Are you ready to order, sir?
Yes, I am. I would like the chicken salad to start, please.
A healthy choice. And for your main course?
I'll have the steak with fries, please.
Very good. And would you like anything to drink?
Yes, I'll have a fresh orange juice, please.
Perfect. I'll be right back with your drink.
Thank you.
Here is your food, sir. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. It looks great.
Is everything okay with your meal?
Yes, it's delicious. Thank you. Actually, excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Can I have some more water, please?
Certainly. I will bring that right now.
Okay, I am finished. Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Of course. Here is your bill.
Do you take credit cards?
Yes, we do.
Great, here you are.
Thank you. Here is your receipt. Have a wonderful evening.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Wow, that felt like a real conversation. It flows so well when you know the phrases.
It really does. The key phrases are short and easy. A table for, can I have, I would like, and the bill, please.
And the secret ingredients? Please and thank you.
Always. Politeness is the key to good English.
I feel much more confident now, Emma. I think I'm ready to go to a real restaurant tonight.
I know you can do it, Jack. And for everyone listening, you can do it too. Start with something simple. Go to a pizza place or a coffee shop and practice these phrases.
Don't worry about making mistakes. Just smile and try.
Exactly. So, Jack, before we go, what is your absolute favorite food to order at a restaurant?
Well, besides a hamburger, I really love pizza. A giant pepperoni pizza with extra cheese.
That sounds amazing. My favorite is pasta carbonara, creamy and salty, ideally with a lot of Parmesan cheese.
Oh no, now I'm even hungrier than before.
Me too. Well, I hope this conversation was helpful and delicious for everyone listening.
Remember to practice. Practice with a friend or even talk to yourself in the mirror. Table for two, please.
Yes, and please don't forget to subscribe to Talk Emma Daily so you don't miss our next lesson.
And share this video with your friends who are learning English. It helps them and it helps us.
For today's comment section, tell us what is your favorite food to order at a restaurant.
Oh yes, is it sushi, pizza, tacos? Let us know in the comments below. We read every single one.
Thank you so much for joining us today on Talk Emma Daily. Until next time, keep practicing and stay confident.
And keep smiling. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye. See you soon.